In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to transform ordinary images into a dramatic movie-style poster. So let's jump right into the magic of Photoshop. Hey everyone, welcome back to Photoshop PixelFie. If you're new here, I create easy and professional Photoshop tutorials to help you level up your editing skills. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming creative videos. First, create a new document with a size of 29.7 centimeters by 42 centimeters. This gives us a perfect poster layout. Now select the Type tool. Choose the font provided in the description link and start typing your main text. Once the text is created, apply the text settings shown on the screen. After that, hold Alt and drag the text layer to make a perfect duplicate. Select the duplicated text and edit it to write your new heading or title. Next, place the main background image onto the canvas. You can download all images from the links in the description. Change the blending mode of this image to screen for a bright and smooth dramatic effect. Now hold Ctrl and click on the first text layer to make a selection. Hold Shift plus Ctrl and click the second text layer as well. This will combine both selections. With the selection active, click on Add Layer Mask to blend the text with the image beautifully. Again, pick the Type tool and write your secondary text using the settings mentioned. You can download all the fonts from the description. After that, select the Type tool again and add your little subtext with its own style. To highlight the design, choose the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle right under the text. Change the text color above it to white to make it stand out more strongly. Now place another image on the canvas and change the blending mode to multiply so it blends nicely with the background. Add one more image, also set to multiply, and adjust its position. Apply a layer mask, choose the brush tool, reduce the flow, set the foreground color to black, and gently paint over the areas, especially the stone that overlaps the person, to remove the extra parts smoothly. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy and place it properly wherever needed. Next, import the fire image, put it on the canvas, and change its blending mode to screen for realistic glowing effects. At the end, press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to merge everything into one new layer. Right-click and convert it to a smart object. Now go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and increase both vibrance and saturation to 50 for a colorful, dynamic finish. Click OK, and your epic poster is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality Photoshop tricks. Comment below if you want specific poster styles, logo designs, or photo effects next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.